Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well out there as always. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video to walk you through how to use the man overboard feature. So if you look in your watch, this is actually referred to in your watch as MOB, man overboard. First, let me start by saying I'm using the Garmin Instinct Solar watch. It shouldn't matter which version Garmin Instinct you have, solar or not solar, any model, they're all going to have this feature. The other thing I'll mention is I'm using the watch as delivered from Garmin. I haven't made any adjustments to any of the hotkeys. Now, if you've watched my videos in the past, I say that in every video. In this video, it kind of matters because we're going to be using the hotkeys to set up the man overboard feature. So what exactly is man overboard? Man overboard is a feature that basically gives you a hotkey to automatically save a location and start immediately navigating back to that location. So let's say we're out on the water, or let's say we're going on a boating trip, and I want to have this set up just in case something happens to be able to save a location and start navigating back to it in case there's an accident or somebody falls over, something like that. I'm going to show you how to set that up. So first and foremost, I mentioned hotkeys. If I press and hold the GPS button on my watch, now again, I haven't made any customizations. This is as delivered from Garmin. If I press and hold GPS, my GPS starts up. If I press and hold the set button, it takes me to my settings. If I press and hold the ABC button, it takes me into my altimeter, barometer, and compass. However, if I press and hold the GPS and down button or ABC button at the same time, nothing happens, right? All of those things I just showed you, those are basically hotkeys. And I'm going to show you why that matters, because when we set this up, my advice would be don't override something that's already doing something. Set up the man overboard as a hotkey that's not being used so that your regular settings are still there. Now you've just got this extra feature added as a hotkey. I've done a video in the past about hotkeys. If I'm losing you right now, you might want to review that video before we jump into man overboard, because I'm going to do this pretty quickly. But let's go set the man overboard as a hotkey. We're going to press and hold the menu button. We're going to arrow down to settings. We're going to press GPS to select settings. We're going to go all the way down to system. Press GPS to select system. And we are going to go down to hotkeys and press GPS to select hotkeys. Now we're going to see exactly what I just showed you a minute ago. If I press and hold the GPS button, it's going to start my GPS. If I press and hold the back button, it's going to take me to my set features. If I press and hold the down button, that's my ABC. It's going to take me to my altimeter, barometer, and compass. But if you notice, if I press and hold the GPS and down button at the same time, nothing happens. It's currently off. Same thing with GPS and up, they're currently off. So my advice would be use one of those that aren't being used, and we're going to set up the man overboard feature. So let's do it with GPS and down. I'm going to press GPS to select that. And instead of having it off, we can use the up or down buttons to arrow through all of the different settings that we can set up for that hotkey. And you'll notice that one of them will say MOB, and that's for man overboard. So I'm going to choose that one. And now if we press the GPS and down button at the same time, it'll start the man overboard feature. So that's the first step. We've successfully set it up as a hotkey. So now we're out on the water, everything's going great. All of a sudden somebody falls overboard. All we're going to do is press and hold the GPS and down button at the same time, and it automatically starts connecting to my GPS satellite, saves my location, and starts immediately navigating back to that location. Now, normally this would be a pretty quick process. I'm indoors right now, so it's going to take a couple of seconds for my GPS to connect. But once the GPS is connected, the location is saved and it's automatically navigating back to that location. That's what the man overboard feature does. It's just a quick way to save a location, start navigating to that location immediately. You can keep it on as long as you want. Once you're done with it, you can press the back button. It'll ask you if you want to exit the navigation. You say yes, and you've successfully exited man overboard feature. The cool thing though is it still saves that location. So let's say we get back to shore, Coast Guard's there and they say, look, we need to go back out to the point where the incident happened. You can navigate back to it just like you would any other location. You can press the GPS button, arrow down to navigate, but instead of going to a saved location, you would choose last man overboard location, and it'll take you back to the same location that we just saved. Really a pretty cool feature. Now, don't get me wrong, you could do kind of the same thing. You could press the GPS button, wait for the satellites to connect, save your location, either name it or just remember, hey, that saved location is where it happened. But the man overboard feature just makes it quick by giving you a hotkey and saving it as a specific designation as a man overboard location. I hope that makes sense. I hope you find it helpful. Again, if you're somebody who's doing outdoor activities, even if you're going skiing, if there's a chance for an avalanche, anything like that, it's kind of a neat safety feature to have set on your watch just in case you need it. As always, I hope this helps. If you got questions, post them in the comments. Thank you for watching.